Hi everyone, Charlie Coleman here. Today is a very exciting day as we announce the results of our fully randomized two-arm clinical trial. This is one of the highest quality studies ever attempted inside of the digital health space, and the results are quite dramatic. We raised quality of life by 14.3% based on the EQ5 quality of life survey. Our number of participants who completed this study was 499. And our p-value, which is our probability value on percentage of accuracy of our results, is 0.01, meaning the results of this study is 99% probable. This is groundbreaking in that CancerLife is the first consumer cancer app that is clinically validated to raise quality of life. For those participants who may have dropped off the platform, we'd love to welcome you back. The community is rich, the community is supportive, the community is positive, and we've just implemented some exciting ability to post videos inside the app, bringing the community even more alive and more rich. So for those of you who signed up for our study, you are part of this amazing groundbreaking research. Please tell a friend about CancerLife, the first app that's clinically proven to raise quality of life. Thank you.